Part 2. What's up? If you're new to my channel, this is Gears and Snoring. This is my continuation of the return to Sarah Street Grill in Stroudsburg, PA. I'll put the name and address right up on the screen here for you. We have been here before. The riding is some of the most beautiful. Through New Jersey, end up in Belvedere, and then you cut over the bridge, and the back roads back here really are something special. And they're fun. This ride's probably going to take you 2 hours on the back roads, but I mean, given what you're going to ride and what you're going to see, it's definitely worth it. It really is scenic up here. I don't want to take my eyes off the road. Odd thing to say, but this bike seems like it handles very well, is what I'm trying to say. Just hit 622 miles on her. Her being what I've named the midlife crisis mobile. Big shocker, right? It's not a big name like Big Sheila. I've had the bike less than a month. I love it. This town's all crazy. You got the old churches here, and I believe the name of the town's up ahead. I don't know if we went left last time. I am not a fan of not being able to see over that crest. Well. Wah, someone went a little wide. Take it off-road, then you have yourself the Honda Pan America Special. Would that be the Pan Japan? I don't know. I don't know the rules of this. Yeah, I'm telling you. You can't go wrong up here. Normally I'd have my Apple CarPlay going, but something with this Cardo Pack Talk Neo and this headset, I end up turning Bluetooth off on the phone. You'll hear a noise in the headset and the phone stays connected, but I lose audio out of the speaker, so it's kind of just gotten to the point where I'll just put a quad lock on here, and as long as the music and everything else is coming out of my speakers, I'm not too butthurt about not having it on here if I have it on the phone. If you like my videos, if you'd be kind enough to give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. You guys remember when Spock went in warp reactor and saved everybody, and he died, and he brain humped himself into Jim, and he's like, Jim, you will always be my friend. That's the kind of movie magic we need in this world again. None of this feel-good, woke, role reversal, gender reversal nonsense. I want Transformers, and I want Autobots and Decepticons. Nothing more. Damn it, give me a friggin' Knight Rider movie already and an Airwolf movie. We've waited far too long. Yeah, this is a cool road. I've never been on this, and I can't tell you the name. But hey, you're not here for road names. No, you're here for scenery and curves. And Laver's directional not being turned off. You know he's going to do it, friends. You know. And then we can have our next Christmas special in April. What the hell is this? Would you look at that? Huh. This is new. This is Blue Mountain Drive. In the Mincy Lake Park. Huh. I wouldn't mind coming back here, man. Friggin' just take a ride up. Have a good time. Look at these burnouts. Damn, son. Alright, we're on North 191 now. I have a feeling this video is probably going to be like a 15-minute video, and I am not trying to go any further than that. I don't even have the attention span to watch my own videos for 15 minutes, and it's kind of hard to be engaged on some of these rides because you're like, oh man, look at this scenery. Oh yeah, we're close. This is the way we went out last time. Yep, we came right through that light and up this hill. Look at that, huh? This place really is good too. I'm guessing we're gonna make a left. I'm guessing we can't. I'm guessing we're going around the block. It is a cool downtown though. Oh no, there's another one. Warrior Pub and Grill on the list. Oddly enough, I think that's the way we came down. Yeah, we're going the long way around the block. And guess what? Left turns. That's that quality left turn content I bring in, not only right turns. I bet you there's going to be another left. Oh, 3 lefts. Oh my goodness. Tell me to go right, I'm gonna go left. And we're here. Sour Street Grill. This place is awesome. Oh boy. Yeah, man, check this place out. Sour Street Grill.
I have one of these peppers, you'll put your ass in the bathroom.
Sour Street Grill. as we're back in New Jersey, riding along the Delaware here. Again, I can't say enough good things about this place. We got burgers again. They got wings. They got a tuna wrap. Food was fantastic. Again, we had a different waitress. She was great. Oh wait, they got around. To go to a place and then go back a year later and the food be just as good, if not better, the customer service be just as good, if not better, is unheard of. If you're looking for a nice ride, come down the back roads, ride 46 in. Oh, it's beautiful. And it's well worth it. This place is fantastic. They got everything you could think of, and sushi. Hell, if I was giving them a letter grade, I'd give them the same one I gave them last time. That place is like an A+. That place is awesome. And this is the ride home, huh? What a friggin' view. You know the food's good, rather, when Larry's just hyper-focused on the food and destroying it. You, sir, are a machine, Larry. And I'm sorry I cut you out of the footage from Naughty Pine Pub. You know, that's what happens when you forget to hit the record button. But I'm Gears of Snore. Drop my videos Wednesday and Friday, 3 p.m.-ish. on YouTube, and 3 p.m.-ish Friday on the Rumble. It's not the same content. I hope you'll come back next week, watch some videos, maybe give it the thumbs up, or hell, if you can recommend the place, I'd love it.